Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Death Stranding 2 on the beach gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and then check. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and then check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and after that move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys, as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. So this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So after clearing the cache, now check whether controller is working or not. Next is to, if you are using wired plug for a controller, then unplug and replug it. This will help to fix the issue easily. Also suggested to use big picture mode for the game. So when you go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here is the big picture mode. You have to click on it. After entering big picture mode, you have to play the game and then exit big picture mode, and after that check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Death Stranding 2 on the beach gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.